NowRx honest review. Watch before using. NowRx was an online pharmacy that provides same-day prescription delivery services using a tech-driven model. It aimed to eliminate traditional pharmacy with times and improve medication access. However, NowRx ceased operation in early 2013 after financial struggling and regulatory challenges. And here are the key features about this platform. Same-day prescription delivery via proprietary logistics, free delivery for most prescription, online prescription management and refills, and also accepted most insurance plan, and also use AI-driven automation to streamline pharmacy services. And here are the pros and con about this platform when it was active. Fast and convenient this prescription delivery, eliminated pharmacy wait time, competitive pricing with insurance acceptance, and also easy to use app and prescription tracking. And here the downside about this platform: shut down in year early 2013, no longer available, and also it's limited average areas when active, not nationwide, and also customer service issue reported in some areas. And here the overall conclusion about it: NowRx was a promising pharmacy service with a strong tech driving model, but financial struggle led to its shutdown. If you are looking for an alternative, consider service like Amazon Pharmacy, Capsule, or Well Grain Express for prescription delivery.